So this is the latest Minnesota snowstorm. That is the snowdrift that was caused. A good 3-footer. There's the yellow dog there. Some gauge of some fine Minnesota dog poop. We'll take a walk up here and see what we got. That's what that looks like. Only in Minnesota you think, where am I going to put my snowmobile? I'll just park it in the front yard. Dog loves the snow, don't you, Deucer? She's about the only one. It's a pretty good drift. You can see, I mean, it's pretty, but it's not very fun. Go to the front yard now. Here's the driveway. This is the snowbank at the end. That's about 6.5 feet. So when the snow needs to get on top of that, either the snowblower has to hit it or I've got to lift it. Let's go out and take a look from the outside. Yeah, that's a ridiculous mountain of snow. Guess who moved all of that snow? Yeah, and it wasn't all snowblower either. Not fun.